Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 18. You are the imperishable, the Supreme Being, worthy to be known. You are the great treasure house of this universe. You are the imperishable protector of the eternal Dharma. In my opinion, you are the ancient Purusha.
Chapter 11, Shloka 18. Tvamaksharam paramam vedidavyam tvamasya vishwasya param nidanam tvamavyaya shashvata dharma gopta sanadhanastvam purusho mato me.
Chapter 11, Shloka 18. From the power of vision, Arjun saw, he infers. From every experience, all thinking men gather their own conclusion. From what he has seen, Arjuna has concluded that the power behind this cosmic form is that which is the imperishable truth. When we see all the waves playing on the surface of the ocean, we conclude that the ocean is the source of all waves. Similarly, Arjuna has come to a conclusion that Krishna as the cosmic form is the very substratum from which the world of names and forms rises, exists in, and merges into. No change can take place without a changeless substratum. All changes take place in the medium of time and space. To know these changes continuously, there must be a constant knowing principle which registers these changes without being involved in the change. That truth is the self, and it alone has taken upon itself the universal form and pervades through all the realm of changes and modifications. Dharma, as the law of being, doesn't need any protector other than itself, as it is supreme. The eternal truth is the goal, the master, and the way for the seekers. The solution for the riddle of life, which is source and substratum of the whole universe, is not to be sought among the world of objects, but within the layers of the personalities in us, until it is discovered as the eternal Purusha. The eternal truth alone, as the conscious principle, the spark of life in us, can take up the form universal which Arjuna is gazing. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.